So for your convenience, we handle that monitoring fee electronically, Mike. So grab your checkbook so we can get the unit to you right away.
All
Is
right.
there a middle initial after Mike, Mr. Teller?
Middle initial.
I'm said. No, I said, is there a middle initial after Mike?
Oh,
Okay, so it's Mike. Is it Mike or Michael, sir?
Mike. Oh,
Okay. Eh, Okay. And so I have Mike Teller. And Mr. Teller, we're going to use your checking or savings account today so we can get this out to you.
checking.
Okay. And I have Mike on the check, Mike, right?
Yep.
Okay. And then Taylor. And Mr. Taylor, if you look at the bottom of one of your checks now, you see three sets of numbers from the left-hand side. We're going to read from left to right.
Okay.
The first numbers at the bottom left-hand. Yeah, the first set of numbers are the routing number. Let me have those. This will be the first 9 numbers.
It is 8, 7, 6, 4, 8, 3, 2, 1, 9.
Okay, hold 1 second. You're looking at the bottom of the check,
No.
all the way on the left-hand corner, the bottom right. I mean the left-hand corner.
Yep.
Okay. Now the routing number, it should usually start with a 0.
So when I
let me see,
receive, so how do I get the product sent to me? Like, what am I paying for right now? That's what I'm, because you
Say
said
that
there
for
was
me
a
one more
setting up
time.
fee. You said I had to pay a subscription fee, a setting up fee, and a shipping fee. So how much is that in total? How much in total am I
No,
paying?
no, sir. No. I'm sorry. You might have misunderstood
I
me.
thought it was
Today we're
free.
giving you the equipment for free,
Yeah.
which is valued at over $300. I'm also going to take care of your shipping. I'm going to take care of your taxes and your activation fees. So the only thing you guys have to take care of is your monitoring service fee, and that's
Okay.
$39.99 per month. There'll never
How
be
about
any
we make it
taxes included.
$15.93?
Say that for me one more time, Mike.
How about
Mr.
we
Teller.
make it $13.93? That's what I say.
I didn't hear you. You
How
said, what
about
did you say?
how about we change that price to $13.93?
I wish we could change it to anything else, but we can't. We already given the equipment for free. You see, everybody else is making their money by charging you for equipment. We give you that for free.
You make your
Everybody
money
else
from
charges you for the
hooking
equipment.
people into a lifetime subscription. That's how you make your
Well, it's
money,
not.
and they don't get the item in return.
I'm sorry. Say that for me one more time.
I said my account number is 940.
Okay. So who do you bank with?
Wells Fargo's.
Wells Fargo. Okay. Now, are you looking at the check right now in front of
Yes.
you? Because if you look at, I need you to look at that check at the very bottom. We're going to read from left to right. There are 3 sets of numbers. The first set of numbers are your routing number. The next set are the account number, then a check number. Let's start with those first 9 numbers. That's the routing number.
124
124
103
103
7 9 9.
799. Okay, I got Wells Fargo. Now the next set of numbers are the account number. Let me have those in sets of 3 too, Mr. Teller, please.
9 4 0 9.
Mhm.
You got those? 9
You said
9
9409
1 2 7 8 4. Did you get all those numbers?
Okay. You have to read it. Let me see. I'm gonna read. I know I missed one, but I'm gonna read what I got. You gave me 9 4
Yep.
0 9 9 1 2 274.
2784.
Okay, 2784. And let me read that back one more time. 940 991.
No,
27.
9991.
Okay, 3 nines. Okay.
Yes, 3 nines.
Okay. So I'll start over one more time. Sorry. 940 999 12784.
Yes, correct.
Okay. Thank you. And Mr. Teller, the next set of numbers or the top right hand corner, there'll be a check number. Let me have that.
0 1 2 1.
And you said the check number was 0121?
Yes, that is correct.
Okay. Now today is going to be June the 15th. No, today is June the 10th, 2018. Yes. We're going to get you set up with the mobile monitoring unit. The monthly monitoring fee is going to be $39.99 per month, okay?
Yep.
It's going to be $39.99 per month. So we bill you $39.99 today, and the next payment they're going to bill you on the 3rd of the month every month thereafter.
Okay.
That rate never raises either, okay? So now that we do have you set up with the monthly plan, yep. Now that we got you set up with the monthly plan, let's save you some money, Mr. Teller.
Okay.
Now, many of our customers prefer. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. I said many of our customers prefer to pay quarterly instead of every month.
Okay.
That option is only $99.99 today, but your next payment won't be for 3 months. Now that quarterly option saves you $80 over the year.
Yeah,
but you save the most money by making. Yeah, but you save the most money by making a full year's worth of monitoring service with a one-time payment of $379.99.
Is there a bigger discount if I pay for 2 years? If we do like a 10-year discount, how much will it be? Like, do the discounts?
Say that for me one more time.
Do the discounts keep going up the more I buy? So if I bought 5 years, would I get a massive discount of like 90%?
Well, we do. Well, I can only do annual here. I can set you up for annual here.
Yeah, I'll do annual then.
Yeah. Huh?
Yeah, I'll go for the yearly subscription then. Yeah. Might as well.
Okay,
then
so
I don't have to worry about paying for the rest of the year.
Yep. So we'll do $379.99 today. And that saves you $100 over the year. Your next payment won't be until 2018, July of 2019. Okay. So give me 1 second. Okay. So hold on. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna go ahead and submit this, and then we'll get an authorization and a verification. So hold on for me.
Yep. Sure. So, you prey on the very vulnerable people, don't you?
Say that for me again.
I said, so how long would it expect to take for it to arrive?
Oh, it only takes 5 to 7 business days.
Okay, 5 to 7 business days. Are you sending it through UPS, FedEx? Do I get a tracking number?
No, we don't use. Yeah, we don't use UPS. We use the United States Postal Service. Oh, okay. So you have to read me the account number one more time because I must have typed in the wrong number or something.
Okay, so it's 94199127884.
Okay, you said 941.
Yes, 999127884.
Okay, so you said 941.
Yes.
0
No, there's no 0.
999. No 0. Gotcha.
No zeros.
I knew there was no 0. Gotcha. Okay. Okay. So you said 941.
Yes.
999.
Yep.
3 nines.
3 nines.
Then it says 1. And then it says 12784.
Yes. That is correct.
And okay. And you said the check number was 0121?
Yep.
That's saying it's saying a bad account.
So when my
number,
nan falls over and she doesn't have the so if my nan falls over and she doesn't have the device on her, do I get compensation?
Say that for me one more time.
If she falls over and the device does not work, what do we do?
Well, the device is set up, to keep your mother protected. So again, anytime your mother has an accident or anytime your mother has a fall or anything like that, all you have to do is, like I said, we'll be able to use we use cell phone towers to determine location.
Okay.
So we're able to use that cellular triangulation to determine location in any emergency. Okay. Now now let me ask you this one. Now it's saying it's the bad account number. You sure that's the right number? Yeah. It's because it's saying bad account number.
941-999-12384.
Yeah. Well, let me ask you this: do you have like another card? Like we can use another card?
A card? What, like Visa, Master?
Yeah, like a. Yeah, let's use the Visa or Mastercard.
Yeah, I have this Visa. Well, it's not my Visa. I found it on the floor.
You said what happened?
I found this Visa on the floor. I can use that. Like I was outside and it was just someone left their card on the floor. It's their Visa. It's a credit card though. Would that be okay?
No, not if it's not your name. Is it your Visa?
No.
It's not your Visa, right?
No. But I've already used it on Amazon. It's got a lot of money on.
Huh?
Come on. It's got money on.
You said what happened?
It's got money on.
Yeah, well let's just use the card that's associated with your account.
Okay,
now, the
so
name,
the stolen Visa card is 4485.
Okay, 1 second. Hold up. So I'm gonna take out that card information, clear that.
Off the stolen Visa.
And,
so it's 4485.
And the name 4485?
Yep, 3430.
3430
7142
7142
9567.
9567.
Yep.
And let me have the expiration month and year, Mr. Taylor.
Expiration is the 7th of the 19th. So the month is 7 and the year is 19.
07-2019.
Yep.
And there's a 3-digit code on the back right above your signature strip. Can I have that?
Yes, 279.
279.
Yep, 279.
Okay, then.
Do you want the
and
name?
The name
on
of that card is Mike Taylor.
No,
it's Mike Taylor as well, right?
Johnson. It's DEREK JOHNSON, and he lives at 32 Matson Street, Portland, Oregon 97205.
Yeah, but I can't do that. I don't know. Let me ask you this.
Do you want his billing address?
You don't have a card.
I have the billing address. You can process the payment from that card. I don't see what the issue is. You're gonna get paid at the end of the day.
Say that for me one more time.
I have the billing address, so you can process payments with that card.
Yeah, but you're not authorized to use that card. I want to use a card that's associated with your name and your account. or the
Yeah,
person's
but you're
name
gonna
on it.
you're
Their
gonna get the money
permission.
from you.
Huh?
You're gonna get the money at the end of the day. You're still gonna get your $350 or whatever it was, $300 and something. Uh,
No,
I was just
I'm not gonna do that. No, I'm not gonna do that. Is the name on the card is your name on that card?
no, it's Derek Johnson, and he lives on the same street as me. I know him, but he doesn't know I have his card. He lives at 32 Matson Street, in Portland, Oregon.
Hello.
Hi. Yeah, his
Yeah. Hello. Okay.
hi.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me, Mike?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Okay. And what were you saying, Mike? Your neighbor Derek?
Yeah, yeah. Well, he doesn't know I have his bank card, but I have it. We can use it if you want.
Well, what's wrong with the account you got?
Well,
Well, if he
I
doesn't
get
mind,
he
if
doesn't know.
Derek's okay with,
He
well, if
doesn't
he's
know.
if
I was trying to
he
use my
doesn't
checking
know.
account, but it wouldn't work for you when you told me to go for a card. So I have my neighbor's bank card,
Well, let me ask you.
and I know his
Okay, well now,
address.
do you have a card associated with your account?
No, not no.
No, you don't
I
have a
don't have it
card
on
associated
me.
with your account.
It's not on me at the moment.
Okay. Okay. Do you have your account number? I can pull up the routing number on my own.
We've already tried that though, and you said it wouldn't work.
Yeah, but that account number you gave me, that said that was telling me that it was a bad number.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. So I don't know why it's doing that. But I can give you this. I can give you this credit card. It's a Visa.
Mhm.
It's the one I just gave you. Like the billing address is 32 Matston Street. If you wanted that, because you're gonna need that to process the transaction.
Okay, hold on for me for 1 second.
All right, cool.
Okay, hello.
Hi,
Okay, okay. And you said the name on the card was what was the name on the card?
Derek Johnson.
Derick.
Dereck,
Okay.
and it's J
And yeah,
O
we'll be able to
H
use. You said
N SON.
okay. You said Derreck Johnson.
It's only one R.
Okay, only one R. Okay, okay. Dereck.
Yes.
Okay, okay. And the card number again was what was the number on the card?
4485
Mhm.
3430
Mhm.
7142 9567.
And the expiration was 07/2019.
Yep.
A-
And the
And the
CVV
three-digit code on the
is
back was 27.
279. Yes.
Okay, okay. So we got you set up for the mobile monitoring unit. We're going to get it shipped out to you, and we're going to do the annual payment, which is going to be once every year.
Yep.
Now, you just have to tell me that he okay. Now, you just before we read this verification, I'm going to get you set up with the verification. But Derek, you have to tell me that Derek has already authorized you to use this card, right?
No, he's not.
Say that
Right.
for me again.
Just take the money from it. He's not gonna know, and you're gonna get the money, and he's not gonna know it was me. Like, you're not gonna tell Derek I
Our
stole
calls
this card, are you?
I'm not gonna. Our calls are recorded. If you don't say that Derek has
Okay, I'm gonna say it,
that
but
you
I'm not
have
gonna mean
permission
it.
to
Derek has authorized me to use his card.
Okay. Well, hold on 1 second.
Because I get what you're saying right there.
Okay. Now, okay, saying that the card declined. So let's
I know,
see what
right?
happens.
Because like this is what happens when you scam people and you prey on the vulnerable people who need medical assistance. You see, no. I know you're scamming because you just fucking took a stolen credit card, you moron. Oh my days, are you that fucking thick? You went and asked your supervisor if it was okay. You fucking dummy. You can't now say, "Oh, I'm not scamming." You can't say I'm not scamming because I told you it's a stolen credit card and you just took it.
You didn't tell me.
No, you can't say
anything
you're
about
not
a stolen card.
Are you sure? I said, I found this credit card on the floor. I'm recording this, you know. I've got this whole all on recording.
Okay.
I have the proof.
Okay.
I did say,
all right.
This is my name is not Derek Scott. You were calling me by my name a minute ago, and then I told you Derek Scott was on the card.
Okay.
So you can't be chatting shit about, oh, you're not scamming.
Congratulations, just for calling